You sniffing, Moose? What do we got? Say hi. Baxi 666, thank you. This is Moose. His sister Raven was just out before. She's back inside now. Thank you. Thanks for joining us outside here. Springtime in Vermont, right, Moose? You're a good boy. What do you smell? Oh, time for zoomies? Look at that energy. He's feeling better. He had a sprained paw before. Now he's doing a lot better. Zoom. Zoomies. Oh, no way. That's awesome. I love huskies. Hey, no jumping. I can tell you want to jump. Moose and Raven are Malamutes, but... Oh, into the hole. Look at that. I had to fill a bunch of these holes in. That's kind of how he sprained his paw the other day. They were wrestling a little too hard. Here he goes. He's got energy. What are you going to do? This hole's not filled in yet, but I tossed some rocks in there. Full of rocks now. You're not going to dig much deeper, buddy. Now you have new holes to re-empty. What's up, Moose? You looking back in? You see Raven in there? You still got a little bit of a limp going on. You're in the UK? Cool. You're feeling so much better, aren't you, Moose? Yes. You're a good boy. You're all dirty. You got dirt on your face. Time for ear rubs. Yeah, rub your ears. I feel good. I feel good. Yeah, shake it off. We're chilling. Oop. Say hi. Close up. Close up. You giving kisses? What are you doing? You give kisses. Moose and Raven are 1.5 years old now. Still a big puppy. They're big though. They weigh 100 pounds. A bit bigger than a husky. Thank you. You are a good boy, right, Moose? He loves getting up on this box here. That's his spot.